Welcome back to Rock and Ron Garage. We got the ram all fixed up. We had to put an oil cooler filter housing assembly on it. It's a known problem with the Ram V6 3.6 gas. So now I got the garage all cleaned up, which was a disaster. But now we have the mock back in. We're going to do a little cleaning up of these parts right here. Transmission's supposed to be here in a couple days. I'll do the unboxing on that. Maverick just sitting there, just waiting. New torque converters over there. Workbench is packed. But we're going to do a little sandblasting, a little cleaning up of these hinges and stuff. Might even paint them, I'm not sure. Right there in the old blaster. Here we go. All right. Got a lot sandblasted. Got to give the compressor a break over there. There's the blaster. Harbor Freight Special. Modified underneath. But here's the stuff that got blasted. Here's the stuff that needs blasted. Supposed to be nicer weather in the next couple days, so I'll get out and prime it all. Paint it. I got a lot of bolts in there I blasted up. It's coming along. Got to put it all back in here. Stay tuned. Well, it's here. One transmission from TCI. We'll be doing an unboxing here in a bit. All right. I got a few things painted on the Mach 1. I just went out there and sprayed it. The hood hinges, some nuts and bolts, some brackets. I got a lot more sandblasting to do, but I'll do that another day. Right now, it's the unboxing of that TCI C6 I told you guys about. Brand new. Brand new. All right, I got you guys a little bit closer. So let's open up the packing slip first and third, nobody out. Runner on first. Here's the pitch. Oh, sorry. We have the packing list. 1 C6 for a small block Ford. 351 Cleveland's what we got. That's it. All right, we'll slide that under there. Let's get to cutting. Let's check it out. What is the best way? Stop it. Crazy. It says, due to storage and or shipment, pan bolts may loosen. Retorque pan bolts to prevent leaks. Failure to back flush forward and reverse. The cooler, according to OEM specifications, will void the warranty. Stickers. O-rings for the shift selector, I'm sure. Maybe the tube. Okay. Product was made and inspected with pride by Will Goodwin. Inspected by Tony H. Dyno transmission test. January 16th of 2025. All right. Think I can lift it? I don't think I can lift it. So, got it. One TCI Automotive C6. Nice and new. Look at that. Servo. I gotta get a dipstick. Gotta get some lines. I got the torque converter. Oh, it's got the nice shifter on it. Sorry about my hand. I like it. Got to get a drive shaft made after I get it installed. That's it. That's a quality piece. TCI C6. Very nice looking. But if they're anything like they used to be, which I'm sure they're better, I'm going to have no problem. Thank you, Will Godwin, Tony H. Part number 411405. Built January 16th, 2025. TCI. I like it. I like it.